says Hashem, since the Churban Bet HaMikdash, the destruction of the Bet HaMikdash, all Hashem occupies is 4 amot. Why 4 amot? That is the minimum amount of space that counts for halacha. It's the minimum of space. So the Chachamim say, what does this really mean to us? It says that Hashem, after the destruction of the Bet HaMikdash, when all of that Kedusha left the world, Hashem wanted to completely separate from this world and the materialism of this world, to signify to us that if you want to become glued to Hashem, you too must separate from materialism of this world. You want to get close to Hashem? Know that every time you get close to materialism, you're getting further from Him. The more close you are to materialism, the further you are from Him. Meaning, if you have a car. You have a car, you need to get from one place to the other. Okay, everybody needs a car. In this world today, you need a car. But if your car is your world, you're like one of my neighbors, every Shabbat, the guy, he's a goy, I believe. Every Shabbat, what's his day? He opens his garage. Why? He leaves it open the whole afternoon. He takes out his car. He takes out his whole little toolkit. And he starts washing his car inch by inch for hours. You go to Beit Knesset, you come back. You go get for Mincha, you come back. Mamash, it's almost till Arvit. He's washing the car for like hours. I don't know how, I don't understand. I look at the guy, I'm like, what is his skin? But for him, he thinks he's in Gan Eden, and the whole day he's washing a car. You know, he's blowing on it to make sure that he sees his reflection on the blue color of the car. This is people today. He's so into his car, he turned it into an idol. That's Avodah Zarah. This is a sense of Avodah Zarah. It's a version of Avodah Zarah. If that's your car, you're far from Hashem. Far from Hashem. If every time you see a nice guy, like, wow, you're far from Hashem. Far from Hashem. A person is measured based on what he says wow about. That's who you are. Whatever you say wow about, that's you. That's you. If every time you hear about somebody making a lot of money, like, wow, look, this guy made so much money, that's you. You're a money guy. That's all you like. That's your life. That's who you are. That's your God. Money. Wow, look at this car. Oh, that's it. Here you go. It's another one. Here you go. Look, wow. Wow. Wow, look at this girl. Oh, there you go. You're a noyafew. You're a womanizer. Yeah, that's you. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Look at... That's you. All those wows, that's who you are. You want to get to know yourself? That's you. Wow. Wow is you. You go to Shiur Torah. Wow, what a chidush. Ah, that's you. Now you care about something meaningful. How do you know if you care about something meaningful or not? How do you really know? On your day-to-day prayer. Not when there's tzarot, not when there's disaster, and it's obvious you're going to pray for the disaster to go away. Everyone that's in the hospice center, as my dear friend Fidel tells me all the time, everyone in the hospice center is religious. Everyone in the hospice center believes in God. Everyone. Everyone that's on their deathbed in the hospice center believes in God. I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about when somebody found out somebody has cancer or someone lost everything and so on and so on. I'm talking about day to day. What do you pray for? 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 A car? You pray for more money? You pray for a new job? What do you pray for? That's you. What you pray for? That's you. That's who you are. That's your whole makeup. Oh, God, please, please, Hashem, I love you so much. Please make the stock go up. That's you. That's you. You think you're stuck. You're stuck. They should put you on CNBC as a ticker. Should make you into a ticker on CNBC. Put your initials. YR, $6.37. YR, $6.38. Ah, you have a buyer. Somebody bought you. Extra cent now. What do you pray for? That's you. That's who you are. Oh, Hashem, please make sure everybody likes me. Oh, that's you. There you go. You're a self-conscious person that cares too much about what everybody else thinks. That's you. Oh, Hashem, please make me closer to you. Please allow me to understand, to see, to understand, to fulfill your will. Ah, that's you. Pray for something meaningful, Rabotai. Pray for something meaningful. Stop praying for shtuyot that you're going to throw out in a few months. Stop praying for stuff that's not going to be worth anything in a few months. Pray for something meaningful because that's you. That's you.